This is the Miniwell survival filters. This is their main model. It's a straw-based design. You can thread in a bottle also can. Then you drink the clear water from there. This is a inline filter. They put in the hydration pack one. Because it's cheaper. Use finish, throw away. This one got spare part you can buy and replace. This one don't have. This is use and throw away kind one. Then another one a lot of people buy is this. This is their most atas model, 0.01 micron. So this is the highest filtration they have lah. See, you can put directly in the water, then you pump the clean water out lah. You want to drink sai cui also can, because it's 0.01 pump type, and then the survival type, travel type.